upbeat music plays. Welcome back to the channel where we make sure your wallet doesn't cry louder than your kids when they don't get their favorite cereal. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning. That's right, we're putting the Gorfinti Steam Mop against the Kenmore SM2050. It's like a heavyweight boxing match, but instead of punches, we're throwing steam and cleanliness. So grab your mops, because it's time to find out which one will take home the title of Ultimate Floor Cleaner. Let's kick things off with the price. The Gorfinti is strutting in at $119. That's a little steep, but hey, maybe it comes with a personal cleaning assistant too? Meanwhile, the Kenmore SM2050 is like your frugal friend who always finds the best deals, priced at just $89. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Kenmore, saying it allows them to save some bucks for that fancy coffee they pretend to love. Now, let's talk about cleaning power. The Gorfinti claims it can eliminate 99.9% of stubborn stains. Reviewers love its effectiveness in cleaning tough stains and grime, making it a favorite for those cooking disasters. On the other hand, the Kenmore also boasts the ability to remove 99.9% of dust and dirt. Reviewers note that it works well for pet hair, ready to battle your furry friends' shedding. Next up, versatility. The Gorfinti is like that overachieving student in school. 10 in 1. Reviewers appreciate its versatility and efficiency, cleaning everything from floors to toys. Just don't try to steam your kids. We're not responsible for any child-sized steam burns. Kenmore is not too shabby either with its 2-in-1 feature. It can clean floors, and it's a handheld cleaner. Reviewers find it a decent and affordable option for versatile cleaning needs, but it lacks the multifunctionality of Gorfinti. Now let's talk steam levels. Gorfinti gives you 3 adjustable steam modes. Reviewers love this feature, saying it covers everything from light clean to deep clean. Meanwhile, Kenmore keeps it simple with 2 steam levels. Reviewers feel this is good, but lacks the pizzazz of the Gorfinti, as it may not provide the same level of customization for their cleaning. Alright, let's get down to how easy these bad boys are to use. The Gorfinti has a lightweight design and a 23-foot power cord, making it convenient for larger spaces. Reviewers rave about its ease of use and quick heating. Kenmore has swivel steering, making it easier to maneuver. However, some reviewers mention the short cord and less efficient handheld function, making it a bit tricky for certain cleaning tasks. Overall, reviewers are highly satisfied with the Gorfinti Steam Mop for its versatility, effectiveness, and ease of use, while the Kenmore SM2050 garners praise for its affordability and lightweight design, though it faces some criticism for its limitations in cleaning efficiency and cord length. So which mop takes the crown? If you're looking for versatility and a whole arsenal of cleaning tools, the Gorfinti is your go-to. But if you want to save some cash and still get the job done with a little flair, the Kenmore SM2050 is ready to tango. Remember folks, whether you're Team Gorfinti or Team Kenmore, the real winner is your clean floor. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future comparisons. And let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose. Until next time, keep buying smart and cleaning smart. Upbeat music fades out as the video ends.